to study the variation in the size of image produced by a convex lens by changing the object distance and hence draw a conclusion about this variation.
Hello students, today let us perform an activity to see how the image size varies in case of convex lens and concave mirror. We'll use our candle and screen arrangement. The candle is the source of light and here there is a convex lens and this is a screen on which the image is forming. And you can see that a sharp inverted image is visible on the screen. We have to see how this magnified image or the magnification of the image changes by changing the distance of the object from the lens. So as you can see, if I move this away, the image on the screen disappears. I try to make it sharp by bringing it closer and closer, and at a certain point again it becomes sharp. And now you can see the image is smaller and is a diminished image. So we'll try to do in a systematic manner to understand the variation in the size of this image by changing the object distance from the lens. Now we'll start performing our activity. So here is the lens, convex lens, which I have kept at 50 centimeter mark of this meter scale. So your left side is the candle. So candle is a source of light which is placed on the left hand side and the screen is on the right hand side. This is a lens of focal length around 10 centimeter and therefore we expect 20 centimeter is the 2f. So I'll start the first observation by keeping the candle at 90 centimeter mark here and hence the object distance is 40 centimeter. When the object distance is 40 centimeter, I try to locate the image by bringing the screen and you can see that now image is coming and this is a position where we get a very sharp and a very small diminished image is visible. This is the position of real inverted image produced by this convex lens when object is placed beyond 2f. This distance is around 36 centimeter mark and hence this is 14 centimeter is the image distance. Using this object distance and image distance, you can calculate the magnification produced by this lens. Now I shift the object 10 centimeter closer, that is at 80 centimeter mark, and you can see that image is no longer sharp. So I shift this and try to get again a sharp image, and now the sharp image is forming at 34 centimeter mark. That means 16 centimeter is the image distance. So object distance has now become 30 centimeter and image distance has become 16 centimeter. Now I change the object distance again. I bring it to 70 centimeter mark. That means now object distance is 20 centimeter. And you can see that image is no longer sharp. To make it sharp, I take it away from the lens. And now gradually I locate the point where it becomes sharp. And this position appears to be very sharp. And now the screen is at 30 centimeter mark. Therefore, image distance is 20 centimeter. So object distance is 20. Image distance also is 20 centimeter. So roughly this is our 2f position. Now I bring it further closer at 65 centimeter mark and here object is between f and 2f and you can see that again image has lost its sharpness. Now I take it away and at around 29 centimeter mark. Let me adjust it. Somewhere here I am getting a sharp image of this. Sharp image of this. Let me make it little center. Yes. Now we can see a sharp image has produced. Object distance is 15 centimeter. 15 centimeter, and image distance is 10, 20 and 7, 27 centimeter. And the image has now become magnified, inverted, real definitely. So now it is giving magnified image because the object is between F and 2F. I try to take it little more closer. Now it is at 62 centimeter mark. That means object distance has become 12 centimeter. And you can see that now the sharp image is we are getting far away. And this is the new image which is far away from the lens, and the distance now is 10, 20, 30, 40, 43 centimeter. So at 43 centimeter we are getting an enlarged, magnified, real inverted image of this lens. So this is how, as the object comes closer and closer to the lens, image moves away from the lens and its size becomes bigger and bigger. So this is the overall conclusion that you can draw about the variation of magnification in case of a convex lens.
The observations are now written in a tabular form, and in the first observation, when object distance is minus 40 centimeter, the magnification is minus 0.35, that is real diminished image. And in the last observation, when the object distance is minus 12 centimeter, the magnification is minus 3.58, that is real magnified image. Hence, as object comes closer to the lens, the magnification of the real image is increasing. This is the conclusion that you can draw from these observations. Now we will study the variation in the size of the real image produced by a concave mirror by changing the object distance.
Now we perform a similar activity with the help of a concave mirror and try to understand how the magnification of an image varies with concave mirror. This is the setup. We have again a candle and the stand has now a concave mirror, and this is our screen. The object is placed at 40 centimeter away from this concave mirror, which is on your left hand side. And since this mirror is around focal length 9 centimeter, that means 36 centimeter will be its center of curvature. So therefore object is now beyond center of curvature. And as expected, its image must be somewhere between focus and focus and center of curvature. And we try to locate the image on the screen. The image is forming on this face of the screen. So try to concentrate on this face. We adjust the screen and we get image of this candle somewhere here. You can see that a sharp, diminished, inverted image of the flame has formed at a distance of around 14 centimeter from the mirror. This is a diminished image of this object which is forming on the screen. So a real inverted diminished image is formed between F and C of this mirror. Now I bring the candle closer. Now suppose the candle is at 30 centimeter mark. It is still away from center of curvature. I again adjust the screen to get a sharp image. You can see that size of image is now little bigger than the previous image. So object has come closer, image has become slightly bigger, and now the image is forming at a distance of 16 centimeter from the mirror. So therefore image is also has moved away from the mirror. I try to bring it even closer, say at 20 centimeter mark. When I bring it at 20 centimeter mark and again try to focus it and get a sharp image, the sharp image is now here. And the screen is at 17 centimeter away from the mirror. So the screen is at 17 centimeter when the object is at 20 centimeter mark. I try to bring it little more closer and adjust it in such a way that object and image comes together. And this is how we do it. I put the candle and the screen together and adjust it in such a way that the object and image both are equidistant from the mirror now, and you can see that now a sharp inverted image is forming and both are at 19 centimeter mark. That means object distance is around 19 centimeter. Let me make it more accurately. This is 18 centimeter from the mirror. Therefore 18 represents the center of curvature. Hence the focal length is around 9 centimeter. Now I try to bring it closer further. When it comes closer and I locate the image, an image has now become bigger than the object. It is a magnified image that has formed on the screen. We make it as sharp as possible. And somewhere here we are getting a sharp image of this flame. So object is between F and C. Real inverted magnified image has formed. The object distance now is 15 centimeter and the image is forming at 32 centimeter from the mirror. If we try to bring it even more closer, little more closer, and you can see that now we'll get a highly magnified image on the screen. We make little adjustment and you can see that a highly magnified inverted real image has formed on the screen. So we can conclude that as object comes closer to the mirror, a real inverted image forms. The image moves away from the mirror and it becomes bigger and bigger. And we'll put all these observations on our observation table and calculate the magnification produced by the concave mirror.
Now, after putting all our observations in a tabular form, you can see that as the object distance decreases, object comes closer to the mirror, the image distance increases. Image is moving away from the mirror and the magnification of the real image increases. The minimum magnification is minus 0.35 and the maximum minus 2.13 in our case.
Now I'll perform one more activity. You try to find out the reason behind it. Here I have kept an object very close to the lens. So this is the convex lens of focal length 10 centimeter, and the object distance is around 5 centimeter, and therefore object is placed between its focus and optical center, and we expect a virtual image must be forming behind the lens. Now I insert one plane mirror here. So behind the lens a plane mirror is placed. You can see that an image is forming on the screen. Therefore, the virtual image has changed to the real image on the screen, and it is an inverted image. If I change the object distance, you can see that we can get a sharp image also like this. Therefore, by putting a plane mirror behind the convex lens, we get a real image on the same side as the object. Earlier, convex lens was giving real image on the opposite side. Now the convex lens is giving real image on the same side. And as the object distance is changed, the image distance also changes. And if I try to again bring object and image together, you can see that somewhere here, now we get a sharp image of the flame on the screen, and this distance from the lens is also around 10 centimeter. That means at the same 10 centimeter distance, which happens to be the focal length of the convex lens, we are getting a real inverted image on the screen. Try to find out the reason behind this real inverted image produced, which is of the same size and at the same position as the object. Thank you.